Get outside and enjoy this beautiful Saturday, maybe at the pool. Not bad weather for it. Let's turn it over now to meteorologist Caitlin Wright to see if this nice weather will stick around. Caitlin.
You're right. I would definitely go to the pool, Trishna, but I wouldn't go inside it. Not just yet. Not just yet. But it was a gorgeous day to go out to Washington Park, enjoy the flowers, or even as we saw earlier, just take a nap outside. It was a gorgeous day. I want to go ahead and turn you to the Old Forge webcam. You can see still sunny out there, but the clouds are starting to increase. Take a look at our Dunkin' Donuts Storm Tracker weather cam at Hotel Putnam in Bennington. Those clouds, like I mentioned, are on the increase. No precipitation right now, though. I want to go ahead and tell you what's next for our forecast tonight. Increasing clouds as a low pressure system from the west is going to approach the northeast. And then on Sunday, expect widespread rain and below average temperatures. We need the rain, but it's going to be pretty chilly, way below average. And then on Monday, morning and early afternoon showers. These are going to be a little bit heavier. Could see some downpours, maybe even hear a couple rumbles of thunder on Monday. But that cooler air is going to stick around. For right now, though, cooler air is not so much. Here are current temperatures: 68 in Colony, 65 at Albany International. Latham, you are saying you're at 51, but sometimes it's a little bit of a glitch in there, so I wouldn't go with that temperature at Latham right now. 66 in Cohoes. Clifton Park, you are checking in at 66 as well. Hageman, 65. Ballston Lake, 67. Stillwater, you're in the upper 60s at 68 right now. Inlet, you're usually the cool spot, but 64 is not all that bad right now. And then Ticonderoga, you are checking in at 57. I want to go ahead and show you our surface analysis, exactly what's going to happen weather-wise for the capital region. An increase in clouds is going to take place going into tonight, tomorrow, and on Monday. You can see this, not only clouds, but rain too. We have a low pressure system that's out in the Midwest. This is going to track eastward and northeastward, bringing us chance for precipitation. But luckily, we are not in the range for severe weather. Storm Prediction Center has issued slight risk. You can see here in the yellow, and then for much of the surrounding areas, really along Missouri, Arkansas, Jackson, Mississippi, and parts of Louisiana, they're seeing that slight risk, marginal risk for those surrounding areas, including hail, strong winds, and possible tornadoes down there. But for us, we're just looking at rain. I'll go ahead and pinpoint that for you using the clouds and radar and Futurecast. You can see cloud coverage going into tomorrow morning. This is at 7 o'clock, so you can see the rain starts, and then check this out. This is very widespread. This is covering the entire screen and much of the northeast. This is going to stick around all day tomorrow, really. That was at 7, 8 o'clock starting in the morning, and then 5 o'clock tomorrow night. We get a little bit of a relief. This is tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. Not from those clouds, though. Those clouds are going to stick around, and then some more rain is going to approach the capital region on Monday. Like I mentioned, though, check that out. We're seeing a little bit more colors, so this means the warmer colors. You can see the yellow, orange, and the red. So a couple rumbles of thunder, and then we see it again. So Sunday and Monday, it's looking like rainy and wet. 45, clouds are going to be increasing tonight, and then tomorrow, cloudy and widespread rain. It's going to be chilly, 50 degrees. Your 7-day forecast: 50 for tomorrow, 54, shower, moderate to heavy at times on Monday, and then we see a relief on Tuesday. So similar to today's weather is going to be Tuesday, and then we get in a weird setup in the atmosphere, though, mega blocking pattern that we saw before, but now we're on the bad side of it. So rain, 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 but we definitely need it. So it's spring. That's what happens.
Exactly. But I know it's a little too cold for jumping in the pool weather, but that sun just feels so good.
You're right.
All right. Thanks, Caitlin. Now let's